Let's learn how to present our poster. So there are some written instructions here telling you to take a screenshot of your poster and then upload it to a discussion board along with a video of you presenting it, just like you're presenting in front of the class. But let's do that together. So the first thing you're gonna do is go to your discussion board. So here's your discussion board where you're going to present it. You won't be able to see other people's posts until you post. So you'll be the first one that you see. And then if you need to get back to this discussion board, but you don't want to go through the assignment, the discussion board is also in the Friday folder. So you can go through the Friday folder as well. So in our discussion board, we're going to click on Write a Comment. And we're going to click File to attach the screenshot of our poster that we took. If you don't remember how to take a screenshot, there is a link in the resource folder, or you can just Google it on how to take a screenshot. Add a file. I'm going to find that screenshot of my poster in my Downloads folder. And then I'm going to go over here to this audio video recording. And so I can do an audio recording where it's just my voice and a blank screen, or I could do audio video where it's just a normal video. But first, when we're trying to present this, we also want to be able to see our poster at the same time. So get this discussion board and your poster both in 2 tabs. Now, this is going to look a little different on mine because I have a Mac and you have a Chromebook. But on a Chromebook, you're able to take a tab, click and drag it off, and then bring it over to the side to do split screen, and then click and drag the other tab as well. So again, that's you're grabbing it, you're clicking it, and you're dragging it, and you're dragging it all the way over to the side, and you'll see kind of like a little thing pop up about split screen. But mine's Mac, so you don't see that same thing. But if you don't know how to do split screen, let me know and I can help you out. Or again, you can Google it. So once I have mine in split screen, I'll do my Mac version real quick. And unfortunately, my video went away, but you'll see me in just a second. I'm going to go over here, click Audio Video Recording. I'm going to do Audio and Video. And so I have my face here, and I can record my wonderful presentation by clicking Start Recording. Hi, my name is Miss Coleman. I did an Explorer poster on Thomas Edison. So Thomas Edison, he was born in America. He went to Cooper Union University. He is big in physics and chemistry. You probably know him because he's a pretty famous inventor. And then I'm going to go on about what he's known for, give it interesting facts, tell my 2 adjectives, and anything else I want to share about my Explorer. So your video will probably be around the 2-minute marker. If you have only like a 30-second video like you see here, that means it's too short. So I'd say probably around the 2-minute marker. Once you are done with your video, you'll hit stop recording. It'll start uploading. I'll click insert recording. Now I'm going to get back out of split screen. There you go. All right, and then you won't be able to post yet. You have to type something first. So here is my Explorer poster about Thomas Edison. And I can post that right there. And you'll automatically see your poster pop up. For your video, you're just going to see this kind of link right here. But then also right here, it says file is currently being converted into a viewable format. It should be ready shortly. So it's probably going to take a couple of minutes, but then eventually your video will show up like as a normal video, like just like as a block right there. And so that is what I'm asking you to do for this poster. And then once you post, you'll be able to see everybody else's post as well. And then of course, if you need to, you can go in and edit it any way that you would like. All right, and that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know. Otherwise, enjoy presenting.